Hi everybody, hello, welcome, Happy New Year everybody. This is Barbara Campbell coming to you from Brooklyn, New York, Crime Heights. It's a beautiful day. We want to say thank you so much for supporting me as an artist here in Brooklyn, New York, Crime Heights. This right now, we are going to play off our #1 independent digital song created by Barbara Campbell and our star, Get a Clue. Let's start celebrating 2022! Brooklyn, New York! Happy New Year! Now, our #1 song, Get a Clue. Those boys over there don't know how to set the girl. No, they don't know. We're 2022. You would think they had a clue. We wrote this in 2021. Like a queen. She's royal. She's the lady of World Fantasy.